wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best toolkits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Cobalt household includes a convenient plastic box for storing fasteners and small hardware. Each tool has a comfortable handle that minimizes vibrations and hand fatigue, making them ideal for stubborn projects that take longer than expected. It comes with a padded shoulder strap and a sturdy structured bag. However, it is pricey for only 22 pieces. At number 9, the versatile Vastar Home Repair 102-piece is a good choice for routine household maintenance. It contains a host of well-made components, including a snap blade razor, 2 Allen wrench sets, and a variety of different screwdrivers. All the tools feel very durable and have thick, ergonomic handles, but everything falls out of place in the case easily. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Cartman Orange 39-piece is a well-rounded starter set for general light use. All the tools meet or exceed ANSI critical standards and are securely housed in a handy blow-molded case that opens up flat for easy access. It's available with red or orange accents. The tools are heat-treated for durability, and the case has elevated feet for stability. However, this set doesn't include a level. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for toolkits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the budget-friendly Greatneck Essentials 21044 is useful to have around the house for any DIY projects. It includes 32 items in a compact zippered bag, which has handles and a shoulder strap to make it easy to take anywhere. It comes with a fastener set and is great for first-time homeowners. It's backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Moving up our list to number 6, the Cartman 148 includes a multi-bit screwdriver that can be used with any of the 30 bits included. You get a collection of nails, screws, and wall anchors too, to help you tackle small picture or art hanging projects. It comes with 6 mini screwdrivers and a magnetic bit holder, and it weighs less than 6 pounds. Halfway up our list at number 5, the collection within the workpro maintenance should have you ready to put together furniture, fix your bike, or perform simple computer repairs in a pinch. Several of the carbon steel components are polished with a corrosion-resistant finish. The bag is made of heavy-duty canvas, and it comes with 40 cable ties, along with metric and SAE hex keys. At number 4, if you're looking for a decent set without having to spend a fortune, the Apollo Tools DT9706 should fit the bill. It'll prepare you for tackling around-the-house assembly or repair projects and comes in a nice compact case for storage. It includes long-nose pliers for tight spaces and secure grips on the handles. It's available in various colors. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the entai 218-piece is packed with a wide variety of tools and accessories, all well organized and easy to locate inside the plastic case, which is compact enough for easy storage and transportation. It includes a roll of electrical tape and both SAE and metric Allen wrenches. It comes in at a low price for the number of tools you get. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for toolkits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Stanley 94-248 includes a torpedo level, slip joint pliers, long nose pliers, a 13-ounce hammer, and 2 screwdrivers. The 16-foot tape measure included has a convenient belt clip on it too. It boasts a stainless steel box cutter, a case that snaps shut securely, and sockets that generate impressive torque. And taking the top spot on our list, the Black & Decker LDX 120PK provides a useful collection of gear, whether you're a new homeowner or a handy hobbyist. Unlike many sets, it contains an easy-to-use battery-powered drill to go with the usual hammer, pliers, and tape measure. It features spade bits for boring holes and a powerful battery. It's a good value for the price. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for toolkits, or simply click beneath this video.